Your skeleton isn't a lifeless frame. In fact, the skeleton you're standing on today isn't exactly the same one you had 10 years ago. Every single day, millions of microscopic workers are quietly tearing down old bone and replacing it with new bone. And this construction project never stops. One team, called osteoclasts, is the demolition crew. They carefully remove tiny areas of old or damaged bone, clearing away weak material before it becomes a bigger problem. But demolition is only half the story. Close behind them comes another team called osteoblasts, the builders. They move into the empty spaces and begin laying down brand new bone, one microscopic layer at a time. Your skeleton stays strong only because these two teams work in perfect balance. But here's something most people never realize. Calcium isn't the first thing your bones need. Before calcium can strengthen new bone, your bone-building cells first create a soft protein framework called collagen. Think of it like building the wooden frame of a house before pouring the concrete. Without that frame, there's nothing for the concrete to hold on to. That's why foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, salmon, cottage cheese, and lean chicken do much more than build muscle. They provide the protein your bone-building cells need to make that collagen framework every single day. Only then does calcium arrive. Most people immediately think of milk, but one of the richest natural calcium sources is actually canned sardines or canned salmon with their soft, edible bones. Those tiny edible bones are naturally packed with calcium in a form your body can efficiently use. But even that isn't enough. Without vitamin D, much of that calcium may never make it into your bloodstream in the first place. Think of vitamin D as the construction site's delivery manager. It helps your intestine absorb calcium, making sure those building materials actually reach your bone-building cells. Fatty fish like salmon, fortified dairy products, and sensible sunlight exposure all help support this process. Then comes the final quality inspector, vitamin K. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli provide vitamin K, which activates special proteins that guide calcium into your new bone, helping strengthen it where it's needed most. But here's the most fascinating part. Your bones don't rebuild themselves because of food alone. Every step you take, every staircase you climb, and every time your muscles pull against your skeleton, tiny mechanical signals travel through your bones. Hidden cells called osteocytes detect those signals and send one simple message to the builders. This bone is being used. Keep making it stronger. That's why walking, climbing stairs, dancing, or resistance training do much more than strengthen muscles. They constantly remind your skeleton that these bones are needed, encouraging the rebuilding process to continue. Strong bones aren't built by one nutrient. They're built by an entire construction crew working together. Osteoclasts clear away old bone. Osteoblasts build it back. Protein creates the framework. Calcium makes it strong. Vitamins D and K help deliver and place the building materials. And every step you take tells those builders to keep going. Right now, while you've been listening to this video, that incredible construction project has been happening inside your body.